Yeah, I cleaned the tank a bit, and I'm gonna check out how dirty it is, the filter here, and if it's any crap inside it. The tank usually is. It's 13 years old. Need to get a tool to get that O-ring there holding it. Get the O-ring. Now it's maybe easier. Still stuck. Yeah, so I just pull a bit harder. This is pretty clean compared to others I've seen. Pretty clean. Still got some blobs there and some crap. But that's good compared to others I've cleaned. Remember how this is pointing downwards like this. So this one you just unscrew like this. A resistor band there. And this one moves. It looks pretty clean, right? Nice. Focus. Tank looks really nice. So I washed it thoroughly and looking really good inside. See, no rust at all. That's really good. I'm gonna fill it with some oil, some 2-stroke oil, so it doesn't rust. Just shake it around a bit. So got some 2-stroke oil here. Just a little bit. Maybe that is enough. And then when I will shake it, just shake it around, close up here and shake it. You can see the red one there. And I put a cap here with this silicone tube hose and then a bolt. Empty out the oil. Yeah, so put some 2-stroke oil in it. You can see it down there. Yeah, so, and I've been draining it out here. So should protect it pretty good until we put fuel in it. 2-stroke oil. So I'm gonna mount this, just push it in and then just screw it on there. So we got the petcock valve there and we got this one and you can see it down there. The ball is there.